Many people think you need to be a gourmet chef to follow the Mediterranean diet. But did you know that some of the healthiest people in the world eat incredibly simple and absolutely delicious meals packed with powerful health benefits? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start the Mediterranean diet, even if you're a total beginner. I'll break it down into easy steps, give you simple meal ideas, and at the end, I have a free PDF guide just for you. We will include a 3-day meal plan in your free beginner's guide to eating the Mediterranean diet. If you're ready to eat food that is both mouth-watering and amazingly good for you, then let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my Mediterranean diet tips and recipes. Almost 20 years ago, I visited the Greek island of Crete to learn more about the Mediterranean diet. Why Crete? Because this is where the first major studies on the Mediterranean diet were conducted. Researchers discovered that people in Crete had some of the lowest rates of heart disease and the highest longevity rates in the entire world, all thanks to their diet and lifestyle. What fascinated me even more was that the people of Crete weren't following a diet. They were simply eating the delicious home-cooked meals their ancestors had been making for centuries. I ended up writing a cookbook with Kula Varadakis, a chef from Crete, called Foods of Crete: Traditional Recipes from the Healthiest People in the World. If you want to eat like they do, I'll leave a link to the book in the description below. So what exactly is the Mediterranean diet? It's not a strict meal plan, it's a lifestyle. It focuses on fresh vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, high-quality proteins like grass-fed meats and ocean-raised fish, and of course, healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil. And the best part? No calorie counting, no restrictions, just real wholesome food that tastes amazing. Let's keep it simple. Here's the food you want to eat more of and what they are good for. Fresh vegetables and fruits. Did you know the average American eats only 2.5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day, while the average person in the Mediterranean eats up to 12 servings? A variety of colorful fruits and vegetables every day can lower your risk of most major diseases and improve your gut microbiome, which plays a key role in digestion, mental health, and even weight management. Whole grains. Think whole wheat bread, quinoa, barley, and brown rice. These grains are packed with fiber, which keeps you full and enhances your digestion. Legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and beans. Legumes are a plant-based protein powerhouse. They help control blood sugar, keep your gut bacteria healthy, and make some of the most delicious Mediterranean dishes like hummus and lentil soup. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and sesame seeds. A small amount of nuts daily can reduce your risk of heart disease, plus they add a satisfying crunch to your meals. Extra virgin olive oil. The #1 staple of the Mediterranean diet is extra virgin olive oil. People in the Mediterranean regions consume up to 4 tablespoons or more per day. That's right, the Mediterranean diet is a high-fat diet, mostly from olive oil, yet they have the lowest rates of heart disease in the world. High-quality proteins. Even though beans are the #1 protein eaten in the Mediterranean, meat, chicken, and fish are still eaten on occasion. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes grass-fed meats and ocean-raised fish. These are rich in essential nutrients and healthy fats. Dairy in moderation, such as cheese and especially Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich, creamy, and packed with probiotics that support gut health. And now let's look at what you want to eat less of in the Mediterranean diet. It's mostly processed foods. Processed foods are full of unhealthy fats and additives and are a major cause of most disease. Processed foods include sugary drinks, chips, packaged foods, fast foods, processed meats, sugary and artificial snacks, processed grains, and baked goods. Okay, let's get you started eating Mediterranean. If you're new to the Mediterranean diet, start small. Here's an example of what a day of eating Mediterranean might look like. For breakfast, enjoy a Greek yogurt parfait with honey, walnuts, and berries. For lunch, try a Greek salad with whole grain bread and hummus. And for dinner, salmon in the oven with roasted asparagus and quinoa. And for snacks, you could have a handful of almonds, fresh fruit, or whole grain crackers with olive oil and cheese. See how simple that is? No complicated recipes, just real food that fuels your body and satisfies your taste buds. So the Mediterranean diet isn't just about what's on your plate, it's about how you eat. Slow down, enjoy your meals, eat with family and friends, and move your body daily. Walking after meals, enjoying fresh air, and prioritizing community are just as important as the food itself. In Mediterranean culture, meals are a time to relax, connect, and truly savor what's on your plate. Here are a few simple things you can begin today that will get you on the Mediterranean path. 1. Swap vegetable oil for extra virgin olive oil. 2. Add more vegetables to each meal. 3. Replace refined grains with whole grains. And 4. Eat nuts or fruit instead of processed snacks. And now it's time for your free Mediterranean Diet Starter Guide. It's packed with tips, a 3-day meal plan, and easy recipes to get you started. Grab your free copy by clicking the link in the description below. And if you're really serious about starting the Mediterranean lifestyle and want exclusive access to our Mediterranean Way and Mediterranean weight loss programs, meal plans, recipes, cooking videos, and a private community, check out our Mediterranean Diet portal. It's your one-stop destination for everything Mediterranean diet with new content added all the time. The Mediterranean diet isn't a fad. It's a way of life that's been around for centuries, and it's something anyone can do. Let me know in the comments which Mediterranean meal you're excited to try first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Mediterranean diet tips and recipes. And until next time, remember, live with purpose, love with abandon, and eat with passion. See you next time.